California, McGuffey, best center, Chartier, Houston. Burgess down in Fort Terry, getting it done out there. Right now, Fort Terry going after best center. Chasing him to the wall. California moving around out there quite a bit. Oh, best center with a nice comeback. Into the side of Burgestown, giving him a little nudge over the back wheel. Oh man, best center in Fort Terry over there having a good time tonight. California still over on the left-hand wall, right here on the grandstand side. Sitting still at the moment. Hopefully he can get back in on this one. As Fort Terry and best center continue to bang it up over here. McGuffey looking a little bit in the rear over there against the wall. Here comes best center out to the middle. Oh, they got around at each other. Best center and Fort Terry getting into each other again. One of the best battles of the night so far. As Burgestown comes through the middle. Burgestown now back to the grandstand side to get a run for it. McGuffey now. As he comes back across the middle. McGuffey just escaped. Here comes Burgestown with a good push to McGuffey. Burgestown now going up the middle. Fort Terry continuing to push best center all the way to the wall. And Chartier Houston says I'm going to get in on this one. Now best center coming back, pushing Chartier Houston all the way across the track. Fort Terry getting into the middle. We've got an absolute tie up in the middle of the pit right now. As California still sits over on the grandstand side. That bus has not moved for a while. I hope it's still running. A four-way smack over into the wall. Fort Terry just not giving in here tonight, and the bus is still looking good. All those hits, and it's barely caving in the back door. Oh, best center with a nice hit to the rear. Look at this, another four-way. Oh, yeah! Fort Terry pushing his way through. And best center gets driven into the wall. McGuffey now getting out of the way of that one. Chartier Houston now going to go get a run for it. Burgestown is chasing that one up the middle. Here comes McGuffey. McGuffey hits for Burgestown, and he gets him. Chartier Houston now heading for Fort Terry. Slides right down the whole way of best center. Grabbing the back bumper, caving the side in. Chartier Houston putting a hurt on best center with that one. And Burgestown gets another hit in. Fort Terry once again running strong out there tonight. We are ready, so here comes your queen and princess for the countdown. Drivers, here we go.
Driver, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Get her done! Oh yeah, thanks girls, you guys are awesome together. You ought to be singing on stage. That was cool. Oh, Bentworth just taking a shot out there. shot. Off the middle end of Noah. Peters Township and Bentler still going at it over here on this side. We might know, I thought we had a bumper connection out there in the middle. Oh, shot in the middle. And now, oh, he's getting crushed. That was the number 8 bus of Trinity. Coming over here with a good shot, and then Bentworth comes in on the side. Oh, 2 nice hits in the middle that time. The number 10 machine over there by Avila. We've got 8 coming this way. Joined up for a 2-shot over the wall. Oh, Bentworth's getting on a good shot here. Charleroi out there in the middle right now, sitting still. Is he moving? There we go, Charleroi. Bentworth now up against the wall, still pushing hard. Pushing to the grandstand side. Oh, starting to squish up over here. The Trinity bus. Hey, starts to flying. Bus is coming. Look out on this side. All the way to the wall. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Peters Township with a push all the way to the wall. The Washington High Fixers. Getting a run for it. And a little shot to the side. Oh, Washington, here comes! Another good hit in the middle. Oh, the number 11 bus, he puts on the brakes. He's going to get a number run for it. Peter Township machine. Bentworth looking for somebody to hit. That'll get him ready. Peters Township all excited out there. He didn't even wait for the countdown. Alrighty, so now, ladies and gentlemen, get ready. Your fair princess and queen gonna do your countdown for you again one more time. Come on, everybody, join in the countdown with them. Go ahead, girls.
We're gonna do it a little differently. When we say 10, you say 9. Driver, 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's get her going! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! We are popping tires on the first hit, round number 2. Trinity's still getting it done without the listeners. Oh, Peters Township! Oh, what a big hit in front of this thing. Holy mackerel, he did a slam and a hurt on that machine. Oh, Trinity come around. Cypress Houston just lost the entire front end. Cypress Houston with the entire front end off the motor right now. As Trinity came around and said, I'll just knock that off for you while I'm at it. Everybody's still running strong. Oh man, round number 3 turned out to be the craziest round of the night. Trinity now looking for his next victim. Shark here with the front end off. Trying to find his way off the wall. Washington high, just down the middle. Oh, and a big shot to the Guffey. Oh man, we got a tangled mess out there in round number 3 right now for sure. Holy mackerel! Chartiers Houston getting spun around by Peters Township. Washington High coming up to Trinity. Here comes McGuffey with the front end hanging on. Peters Township now with a flat front. Still pushing. I told you, look at him out there with no front end, and he's pushing into the exhaust system. He got a muffler and tailpipe hanging under it. Peters Township for the spin around. Oh, come on, California over there, still hitting strong. Here comes Chartiers Houston. Pushing that front end out of the way. Peters Township. Oh, no contact on that pass. Just missing a billet. Washington now in for a hit. Oh, driving that bus into the wall hard. Look at a billet they can beat.